In this video, I will show you how to cancel a subscription on PayPal. To do this, go and open up PayPal, and then what you want to do is go to Wallet in the bottom right. And then from within the Wallet section, scroll to the bottom, and there you will find Automatic Payments. So go and click on Automatic Payments, and here find the subscription that you want to cancel. For example, I'll click Skillshare. And then from there you can scroll down to the bottom, and there you will find Cancel Subscription. So go and click on Cancel Subscription, and there confirm by clicking on Cancel Subscription. And now you can see you cancelled your subscription. Now if there is a different button, which sometimes is the case, so then it will say remove PayPal as your payment method, then you can also just remove PayPal as your payment method, and then you will most likely not have a payment method for that subscription anymore, and that means you will also not be billed anymore. But in this case, you can also go to the website of whoever is billing you and cancel it through there. But if it just says cancel subscription, then you can also cancel it through PayPal. So that's how to cancel a subscription on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.